Hey guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. Where Sodal? Huh? Where Sodal? Room अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Which room you want? Which room you want? Terrace. You are getting cold or what? Terrace. When I'm in my BTech, right? There is a one subject called control system. That is both for EC and Triple E. So before the examination, I thought to all our students to went to terrace. I explained to everyone the board control system. And yesterday I went to watch movie. I didn't write the exam. That is. So like that, I got 17 backlogs in my BTech. 17 backlogs. But I am the Olympiad topper in the college at that time. But we are having 17 backlogs. 17 backlogs I cleared in fourth year. 17 backlogs. My professor felt like that I am doing some experiment in the examination also. So one day my professor called me, don't do experiments. And it is a kind of a dangal movie. Everyone is suggested to Amir Khan to get a baby boy. Like that. Everyone will come to my friends to me. Oh, don't write all 40 pages, write only 25 pages. Write only these questions only, write only 4 questions only, you will become pass. Like that, they will say that. I am the only person sitting in the class and written environmental exam. Just imagine that. I failed in environmental exam also. Environmental exam. Don't take inspiration to me, okay? You pass your exams. Don't take inspiration to me. And I collected my, what is that? Degree. There is a book. I avoided that book. I asked only CMM. There are all 4 years in a one page, right? CMM. I took only that one. 17 backlogs. If I say this to anyone, they will not believe. But only my college friends only knows that. Sometimes I will, suppose if I say to you, right, what you will say that, sir, tu maja kar rahe hai. You will say like that, right? My family members also, if I say to anyone, they will also not believe me. But that is true. Because I hate to write the pages. My writing is very bad. Whenever you come to here, how I explain? I have only patience to write one first letter. I don't have patience to write second letter. Like a doctor. So I hate to write this. So why I open this? So these all students are paid the money. All the students, your name is there. Who paid the money? Still, how many people are left? So they removed your name, right? Your name is added, not yet added. Just a confirmation. I need a confirmation. So Monali, your voice is breaking. Really? Give me 1 minute. So 401 only. So just reconnect here. Why iPhone is there? Now, can you please confirm the chat? Is my voice is audible to you? Not yet. Still same echoing now. Echoing. Echoing now. 1 minute. We'll call Pawan. Pawan will rescue. Shit is echoing. Don't know why. But okay, so assume that these 98 students are paid the full amount. Right, Abhishek? That is now, okay, then fine. Those who are not paid the fee, please pay amount. That is, why voice is going up and down because of internet connection. We'll connect with our. Who is this iPhone? Is that iPhone? iPhone is Morley. I'll connect to my internet. Wait. My answer iPhone. It will confuse me then. Now tell me, guys. Is it audible? If it is audible, it is voice is clear or not? Not clear. What happened today? I am not an engineer. Engineering. Might be mic issue. Mic issue. Mic issue. Mic issue. Now, confirm once. Audible good. Wow. Echo. Echo. Clear. Ravi is saying clear. Utkarsh. Tell me who are clear. Low. Nagarani. Low. Audible but little echo. This class is not good. Class is not good. Give me 1 minute. We'll rectify that. We'll not continue this class like this. अरे वो किधर गए? Venki is there outside. Venki. कोई है क्या बाहर? कोई भी नहीं. Emergency. Emergency. Yeah, I like one. You people are showing so much dedication, guys, because every day you are spending in the lab, right? That's great. Pawan, echo వస్తుందట వాళ్ళు. చాలా ఎక్కువ వస్తుందంట, వాయిస్ తక్కువ వస్తుందంట. Now say the clear now. The clear. Christy. Wow. Say thanks to Pawan. Hey, online guys, say thanks to Pawan. Pawan knows everything better than me. Hey, fun. After a long time. No, see. We are missing you. Yes. Yeah, EDF 4. Numerical data analysis. EDF 4. Numerical data analysis. Who knows Utkarsh? Only Pawan knows. Maybe banana in the bike. That is. Yeah. First, read the packages. Read the packages and read the data. Read the packages and read the data first. That is your first job. So I simply copy. Read the packages and read the data. What happened, Afan? You're not calling me. You're not coming to class. What happened? Not feeling well? Now doing good? Chalo then party. Sunday. Don't copy like me. Type it. Don't copy like me. Type it. Now we saw data set. Same data set. Complete analysis. And one data only. Now read the column of prevailing wage. Read the column of prevailing wage. Read the column of read the column of prevailing wage. The lab mentors are saying that my students are coming every day to lab. That's why I'm very happy. You are learning something. Great. How to read the column now? You know, right? Visa data df dot columns and visa df square bracket prevailing wage. It will come as a series. Come as a series. Come as a series. Prevailing wage. Now these values, if you want to convert into array, what you have to do now? Dot values. Correct? Dot values. It will convert into a array. Array is nothing but a list. Array is nothing but a list in NumPy array. NumPy array. Please be mute. Done. Next, we'll do these kind of things. One is count will do. What is the minimum value? What is the maximum value? What is the mean value? What is the median value? Okay. Count, minimum, max, mean, and median. Okay. Count means how many number of observations are there. Length is there, count is there. You know the Python magic, right? Let's do this. Your data is this. If you want to save in one variable, please save into one variable. Dot count karo. What is coming here? Bound method is coming, which means what you need to keep? Brackets. So count aa gaya. How much the count? 25480. What is the next one? What is the next one? Minimum value. What is the next one? Maximum value.
What is the next one? Mean value. What is the next one? Median value. Easy? Because it is a numerical data, right? We know mean, we get median, but categorical data, this flexibility is not there. Categorical data, what is we are mainly focusing on generating a frequency table. We are generating a frequency table. Because if you apply this n unique, if you apply n unique, because every wage is different, right? Every wage is different. You will get so many. How many unique values are there? 25454. Every one is unique value only. So it is a very bad idea to return a value counts. It is a very bad idea. Correct? Everyone is a Asia is 16,000 is there. Africa is 5,000 is there. That is a good idea. But this is everyone is unique. If you apply the value counts, what will come? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 like that will come. Value counts. Now just try the value counts. Just try the value counts. Value counts. Value counts. Now see, 82560, 2 people has salary. 120 rupees, 2 people have. 60948, 2 people have. Like that. How many unique are there? 25454. So this is a bad idea. So never ever apply value counts for the numerical columns. Never ever apply for the numerical columns. Note down this. This is our main focus. And put some variable value also. Wage count. Now create a data frame. Fast. Create a data frame. Wage count. Wage minimum. Everyone create a data frame. Wage max. Wage mean. Wage median. Mode also is a bad idea, ma, because most frequenting value is not there, right? Wage count, wage minimum, wage max, wage mean, wage median. Wage median. Create a data frame. Whether you want to create using dictionary or you want to create using a list, that is your wish. But we will do in both ways very quickly. Calculate the 5 values and put in a variable. Okay, Naidu? Good. Afan? Have you downloaded the data set? Please help to Afan. Those are beside to Afan, okay? How to read and everything. Today you people spend some time in the labs, okay? Create a data frame. In winter season also morning minimum 30 members are coming. In offline batch. Great. In winter also coming. Yesterday I talked to chairman sir. Chairman sir saying that if people wants to study, they will come. Otherwise, they will not come. Those are coming, they are really studying people. In winter also. Now round off karo. Round off. Round off it, because big 2.09999, why will this many nines? Round off it. Everyone knows how to round off, right? ROUND bracket, comma, 2. Now here also ROUND bracket, round, comma, 2. ROUND bracket, comma, 2. ROUND bracket, comma, 2. ROUND round off, comma, 2. I'm creating a dictionary first using a dictionary. So DICT1 equal to a dictionary. DICT1 square bracket count equal to wage count. DICT1 equal to minimum is equal to wage minimum. DICT1 max equal to wage max. DICT1 mean equal to, you know how to create a dictionary, right? We learn that is DICT1 median called wage median. Now DICT1, these are the values. We know how to create a dictionary. Do it first. Create a data frame. This we have done 100 times in the class, correct? Repeat a data frame. Dict1 hai to what you will get? You will get error. Why you will get error? Because you need to provide the index. That is a scalar value. You need to provide the index. What index you want to provide? Prevailing wage we will provide. Prevailing wage only I will provide. Now this is the looks good. So this is you need to learn ma. I told you right. If you are not able to do, practice 1000 times. I don't mind. but you should learn this, how to create a data frames after providing some information. Good, everyone? Next, by using a list now. By using a list, same thing I'm taking here. Same thing I'm taking. I'm creating a list, list1, square bracket. I'm adding wage count, comma. I'm adding wage minimum, comma. I'm adding wage max and wage mean and wage median. Now PD dot data frame of list1. You're getting this, right? Now column. Columns equal to, we're providing only prevailing wage. Prevailing wage. We got this. Now index is also, this is one count. This is what minimum. This is what maximum. This is index also will provide. Index also will provide the index also. We'll change the index also. Index equal to, first one is count. First one is count. Second one is minimum. Third one is maximum. And fourth one is mean value. And fifth one is median value. Median value. One more thing, standard deviation also we missed, right? Create the standard deviation also, that we have not done. Standard deviation. Wage STD. Standard deviation STD. What will there? STD will be there. What will be there? STD. So wage STD. Standard deviation equal to wage STD. Standard deviation also will come. Standard deviation ma. Do standard deviation also. Standard deviation. Wage STD. Standard deviation. Standard deviation. Index is 0, 1, 2, 3 is coming, right? If you not give the index, how did you know that which one is related to which value? Now tell me, Sravani, 2.41 is related to which value? If you want to show to the client, how can client will understand? 2.14, what is the meaning of 2.14? Getting? How can understand client 319210? He will not able to understand, right? Not in list in dictionary. What is the meaning of that? In dictionary, in dictionary, always remember that. Everyone look at the screen once again, ma. Everyone look at the screen. See here. DICT, DICT1 is called dictionary. Suppose you want to create a dictionary, ma. How you want to create a dictionary? That is equal, suppose names equal to is there. If you put list like this, Ram and Sita, okay? Ram and Sita, comma, we put age equal to in a list 25, comma 20. Now PD dot data frame of dict1, you will not get error. You will not get error because the values in what? In a list. But suppose if provide like this, dict2 equal to, okay, name equal to only Ram and age equal to 25. Then if you try to create PD dot data frame dict2, you will get error. Will get error. Will get error. Understood? What is the error? It is saying that it is a scalar values. What is saying that? Scalar value. That means not in a list. It is a single value. Ram is a single value. 25 is a single value. But here what is there? In a list. So that's why what you have to provide here, you have to provide the index also. Index can be anything. You want to provide 0, then 0 will come. If you provide 1, how many times you want to repeat? 2 times. How many I want to do? 3 times. Like this. You want to provide something like this, some A. Will come A. So always remember, if you want to create a data frame using a dictionary, the value should be in the list. It is okay, fine. If the values are not in a list, provide a index. Remember that. Clear? Everyone? Sravya, you're good? That we already discussed, that is. Note down this now using list. Count is there, minimum is there, maximum is there, mean is there, median is there, STD is there. How many numerical columns are there? Can you repeat this task for 3 numerical columns? Everyone finish this? Can you please confirm the chat? Plus, first note down this, everyone. Using list. Using list. Using list. If you are getting doubt, please ask me, ma. Okay, don't be lost in the class. If you are getting a single error also, ask me. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Now do for other category, other numerical columns, same thing. Create a for loop, take 3 lists, list 1, list 2, list 3, append the values and create the data frame. Are you getting what I'm saying is? Make this as a generalized expression, everything. Make this as a generalized expression. What you need to change every time? Prevailing wage, this will become what? I, for I in numerical columns. And this also write count, min, max only. Don't write wage. Make this generalized. Take 3 lists, append in the list. or make one list also is fine. Shape as possible 5 comma 1, but indices apply 1 comma 1. The list 5. Index. Why this is coming? This you need to remove. This you need to remove. One more extra bracket. Okay. This all should be in the red color. There are 5 values you need to provide. Okay. But 5 values should be like this: count, minimum, max, minimum, median, standard deviation, not wage. Should be generalized. Write this 5 and it will works. We only got one row while creating a data frame. Can we create a 6 rows and 1 column similar how we got using list? You need to create, instead of you need to do that, you need to create a list like this. You need to create a dictionary of list. Keep all these things, the same thing. Keep the list like this. Create a list of this. Create a list. Same thing only. Same thing only. You need to make like this. But I'm not happy to explain that to you, Sravani, because I already taught to Python language to you, right? I'm not happy to explain you, but this time I will explain to you. These things you need to figure it out. These things you need to figure it out, not me. Not me. Okay, because I already taught enough language, enough knowledge, right? This you need to write like this, and to provide list one like this. Now dict one is what? Okay. Now PD dot data frame. Don't depend on me. Try it. Okay. What I told here clearly, I told what I told here. If you have a list is there, you can get. So what is your knowledge? Not your knowledge. Directly you can't write. No, you either you can make a list. You need to make a list like this. You need to make a list. Are you getting the task now? Everyone first get how many numerical columns are there? Tell me. Step 1. How many numerical columns are there? Step 1. Step 1. Numerical column list. Numerical column list. Tell me that numerical column list. What are that? Numerical equal to. There's a code is there for this. We already written in the first day class. We separated 2 columns, 2 categories. One is cat list, another one is num list. Correct? There's a code is there. There's a code is there. 2 or 3? Savita? 2 or 3? What is that code? What is that code? Tell me. We already written. This is the 3rd time or 4th time if we return this code. If we write this. No. That is a numerical columns code. Tell me. I for I in dict of visa df dot d types. So I will take this is into d types. Okay. So I'll take here. This is 3rd time or 4th time. Okay. This is called d types. Yesterday also we done this. Called d types. Now if condition. What is the if condition? If d types square bracket I not equal to O. So 3 are there. How many are there? 3. Yeah, that is also correct, Savita. Int only, not int, ma float also is there. That is the problem. You need to write like this. You need to write like this. In int 64, comma, int 32, comma, float 64, comma, all the things you need to write. You want to write like this. Otherwise, you will not get the answer, correct answer. D types. Because we don't know, right? Which type that is. If we write only int 64, it might not take. Sometimes what happens, capital int also will be there. That also we need to take care of. Everything we need to write. That's why in order to write everything, we write only what? Not equal to O. Not equal to O. This we done many times, ma. This we done in many times. So numerical columns are ready, right? Numerical columns are ready. Everyone is good? Good. Numerical columns are ready. Next, we need to make the generalized expression for this, right? Generalized one. How can you make this as a generalized one? The entire thing. How can you make this as a generalized one? What is changing here? Tomorrow, suppose a new num is there. What is the print num? How many columns are there? 3 columns are there, right? 3 columns are there. Number of employees, year of establishment, and prevailing wage. Already prevailing wage is completed. What is the next is there? Year of establishment. So what you will do? You need to replace this is to what? Year of establishment. Next is what? Number of employees. So what is changing in the entire code? Wherever the prevailing wage is there, that will change, correct? So that will replace with what? I. That will replace with what? I. Correct? Replace with I. Everything replace with I. 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 Replace with the I. Now this is also right. Wage is not required because wage is only for related to wage. So this also will remove. Only will keep what? Count. Will keep only minimum. But minimum is what happened? Minimum min will write. Max, mean, everything that is, I think it is a max. Mean. Or will write capital MIN. Capital MIN. Capital MAX. It will enough. Right? Generalized expression. Generalized expression means what? It is not biased to any column. Now see. It is a completed generalized one. Complete generalized one. Now list also you need to remove what? Wage we need to remove. What is there here? Capital MIN is there. So what will write? Capital MIN. What is there? Capital MAX. Now what is there here? Mean is there. Here what is there? Median is there. Here what is there? STD is there. Now column, which column you want to doing? I. So here also what will write? I. Now tell me, everyone understood this? Simple change, with just replacing prevailing wage and replace with I. Try to learn how to create the generalized expressions. Try to learn how to create the generalized expression. Till now everyone is good. Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please confirm the chat? Everyone is good till now? Utkarsh is good, Srishti is good. What is this? Suresh, what you are trying to say? Savita good, Andup is good, Rahul good. Yeah. Now make this as what? DF. It make DF. Now iterate through loop. This everything should be for loop right now. For I in num. Now everything selected and enter tab. Now this should be your architecture now. For I in num. Do it, ma, do it. Next. Just print the DF now. Now print DF. Okay, all the data frames are gaya. Now we need to combine all these three data frames. Okay. Combine all these three data frames. Now tell me, how can we combine? What is your logic to combine these three data frames? This is one output. Again, this one output, this one output. What is your data frame? comma? No, that will not work. You want to write this? That's a printing, no? Or combine data frames. You have to combine the data frames. Append. How can you append? Append is correct only. Tell me. Then how will come? It will come like this. It will not come side by side, no? Number of employees after year of establishment 1. That means this is a one column. This index should be same. This is one column. It should get one more column. You need to get one more column. Like that is the idea. If you took a list, what happen? Everything will come like this in line only. How about if you make a dictionary? If you make a dictionary, now here what will come? I will come, colon, here list 1 will come. Every time. What happen if I print this dictionary outside? Tell me. Three values will come or not? I don't know. You tell me. Three values will come or not if I do like this? If I print dict out one outside, what is the output you are expecting? Tell me what you are expecting output. Sabita, tell me. पक्का dict one is सब आ गए. So Kumar is saying last one will come. So I am taking I is equal first one. What is I? Number of employees. Number of employees called list. Next one is year of establishment list. Next one is like that. It will come or not? Tell me. First it is coming error. Oh. Renuka. Last one is Kumar is correct. Last one is coming. How can come now individual one? Can I make this DICT1 is equal to like this? Can I do like DICT1 square bracket I equal to list 1? What will come? Okay, 3. Understand the difference? How we are changing? Understand the difference? How we are changing? Now you have 3 values are there and you know how to create the dictionary, right? Hataओ. वो data frame करो. What you are doing here? DICT 1. Columns is not required. Index is required. And data frame is required. And this is not required. DICT1, comma. Now your DF. The DF. आ गया DF. Note down this. Any doubt in this? My idea is, I know that my idea is this. What is my idea? This RAM and HS is my idea. This is my idea, ma. This is my idea. Look at the board. This is my idea. So what I am thinking is, if I get number of employees here, and I will get list of values, and next year what? Year of establishment, and again list of values, and here next is what? Prevailing wage, and the list of values. This is my idea. And list anyhow, I'm getting the list, right? Every time getting the list. And I also am getting, where can I am getting I in num. So that's why what I'm getting, dict of square bracket I means what? Dict of number of employees is equal to list 1. This is a way to create a dictionary, right? That we learned in the dictionary class. This is way to create a dictionary. Don't forget this. Now, if you see here, D equal to square bracket here, D square bracket RAM equal to 25. What will come? What is the output? What is the output? RAM square bracket RAM colon 25. RAM colon 25, correct? Here what we written dict of I. Who is I? Number of employees. What is the list one? For number of employees ko all the values. That's why what you are getting dict one means you are getting like this. The number of employees. List one means list of all the values. Second one is what? Year of establishment. All the values. Third one is what? Prevailing wage, all the values. Getting or not? And then you know how to create the dictionary, data frame. Note down this. And finally, your data frame equal to, this is your data frame. This could be the output. Now see how beautiful look like this now. Now this you will show to your client. All the information at one place. Everyone note down this. If you are not able to get, please ask me. Sravya, you are good, right? Like that we can get. If you are getting error, please ask me. NC, what is NC? 254, you did not same output, not different output only you are getting. See, this is a count, the count is same. Next, what is there? 26. Here, what is there? 1800. Different output only.
So, but printing data frame.
Where is the data? You did not create a data frame here. Create the data frame here first. You created there. D, dict 1. D. Prevailing wage. NC. Let's see here. Copy this, okay? Control C. Paste here. Remove this. It should come right now. Oh, dict 1. Only one column you are providing. See, you need to provide no need record of columns. When you create a dictionary, automatically keys will take care of as a columns. Automatically keys will take care of columns. You are asking only one column. That's why one column is coming. Bar chart మొత్తం కలిపి వస్తుందా 10,5 కాంటినెంట్స్ కౌంట్ కాంటినెంట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కౌంట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాంటినెంట్ డేటా బార్ చార్ట్ ఇది ఎస్ అమ్మా ఇది ఎస్ తీసేయాలి ఇంకో ఎస్ పెట్టినావు Done? Everyone good? Can you please confirm the chat? How many are done? Raise your hands. Okay. Very good. Very good. So this is the output. Okay. Very good, ma. Okay. Now don't scold me and you can laugh. But don't scold me, but you can laugh. This is output. Okay. But don't scold me. That is the output. Till now, what we have done. PD number of employees aa gaya. List 2. You taken list 2. Only one list you taken. This list 2 means is related to whom? I. Generally, which I? Last I will come. Last I will come. Now you print num. Print num. Number of employees is there, right? So it is taking I equal to what? Number of employees, every value is coming. You created a data frame, a list 2, that is why number of employees value is coming. Automatic. And columns also you taken that I, first one, that only you are taking. This is that in this, that is the mistake. That's why what we are keeping, we are creating a dictionary. We are creating a dictionary. In the dictionary, what happened? 3 values will come. Dictionary will update like this. But here what happened is only one list you will take. So you can't create 3. You can't create 3 lists. So that is the problem. So we are going to this method, dictionary method. Got it? Huh? So visa df dot describe will give the same answer, ma. But if you learn like this, I will be very happy. So this is a kind of a developer skill, right? If you are hate am I audible to you now? Yeah. So this is the data that describe ma, everything will be there, count is there, mean is there, standard deviation, minimum, maximum will be there, right? Now what is left? 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75%. Let's calculate that. Before calculate that, 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 50 percentile, same echo, percentile. Now, can you please confirm the chat now? Sileko, Utkarsh. Now, still echo. Good, good. Yeah, thanks. So we implemented this describe function with by our own hands. Okay. We implemented describe function with our own Python skill, correct? If you learn like this, I will be very happy, ma. Okay. If you're not able to do also, it's fine. Because I know that is giving answer. Now do here. Visa DF prevailing wage dot mean is there. Dot mean is coming. What will give the mean value? This is by using what? You are reading a. We are reading a specific column. We are reading a specific column. In that reading a specific column, we have a method called, we have a mean method. We have a mean method is there. We have a mean method is there. Correct? In the same way, in the NumPy also we have a mean method is there, ma? NP dot mean will be available. What will be available? NP dot mean will be available. NP dot mean. So in that you need to provide the specific column data. You need to provide the specific column data. Specific column data you need to provide. So NP dot mean, you need to write the column. What is the column? This entire thing is the column. Same answer will get. NP dot mean. NP dot mean. Similarly, we have NP dot median will be there. What will be there? Median will be there. And NP dot STD will be there. NP dot minimum will be there. NP dot maximum will be there. Everything will be there. NP dot count will not be there. Count will be not there. So all 5 will be there. NP dot mean, median, standard deviation, minimum, max using NumPy you can get, because NumPy is the mathematics package, right? So obviously you will get in the NumPy. The pandas also you have to get. Both ways. Yeah, wait, Arun. You know me, right, Arun? Without teaching that, I can't leave the class. But you are a bright student and you are fast little. And we need to wait for others also. Now put siding percentile and quantile. Percentile and quantile. Percentile and quantile. So percentile, we already know percentile concept. Percentile ranges from 1 to 100. Quantile means we have 3 quantiles will be available. Q1 is equal to 25p. Q2 is equal to 50p. Q3 is equal to 75p, right? Q3 is equal to 75p. In the NumPy, we have percentile concept is there. What is there? Percentile. Here you need to take direct number between 1 to 100. 1 to 100. For example, NP dot percentile, directly if you want 75, you can write the 75. On which data you need to write the comma? The data also. Comma, data also you need to provide. Comma, data also you need to provide. For quantile, but quantile we have NP dot quantile will be available. But here you need to provide the decimal number. You need to provide the decimal number. Same answer, but you can provide the decimal number as well as data. For example, NP dot quantile, if you want to 75, you need to provide what? 0.75. Provide the 0.75. Only the difference is percentile will take direct value, quantile will take the decimal value. That is the only difference, and both will give the same answer. Both will give the same answer. both will give the same answer. Percentile and quantile. Both will give the same answer. Let's test it. Let's test it, ma. NP dot percentile. You're writing. What is the error? Prevailing wage is spelling or what? Not going down. Prevailing wage spelling. What is your data frame name? Visa only. Prevailing wage spelling. Ma. Check the spelling. PREVAILING wage. All are same. ఇక్కడ స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ ఉంది. డబుల్ ఎల్ ఉంది. తీసి check it, ma. Check it. NP dot percentile in the bracket provide 75, comma your data. What is your data? Specific column. Visa DF square bracket prevailing wage. Do it. NP dot percentile. Suppose 25, comma shift tab karo. Shift tab A and Q. A and Q. First is A is there. Next is Q is there. A means data. Visa DF square bracket prevailing wage, comma 25. A Q1 value. What is the value? Q1. It is a Q2, Q3. Q2 value, Q3 value. It is 50. It is 75. Now print Q1 comma Q2 comma Q3. You want to do, you can do round off also. ROUND round off the entire answer comma 2. Don't confuse with brackets. You are not kids now in the Python. Don't confuse with the brackets. Round off comma 2. Also round off. Whatever I displayed in the theoretically there in the above, that only we have written, right? Now you do with quantile now, everyone. Do the same thing using quantile. Do the same thing using quantile. Everyone do with quantile ma. Done. Quantile also is same, right? Only the thing is what it replace? 25 is 0.25. Percentile with quantile. 25 with 0.25, 0.50, 0.75. Very good. Don't confuse percentile quantile ma, both are same. Here 0.25 keep, 0.50 you keep, 0.75, same values. When I'm in my college days, my professor has wrongly given here 0.25 as 25 ma. It taken 20 minutes to figure it out. What is the error? Because he knows, but we don't know. We are freshers, right? He knows because maybe some pressure or maybe some extra burden, maybe he tired, he forget to give 0.25. He thought he given 0.25. That's why he's figure it outing. What is error? What is error? What is error? But the actual error is 0 point. That's why I remember till now. That's a funny moment in the class. That is 0.25. If you remove the 0, it will give the error. Good. Can we add to our original data frame this? Can we create the entire data frame like this now? Now take the same thing, Control A, Control C, the for loop and data frame list one. Copy here. What is the extra 3 things you need to add now? What is the extra 3 things you need to add? Q1, Q2, add karo. If you want to put everything with NumPy also fine. Visa DF also with NumPy also you want to replace it fine. Everything. But add these 3. Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1, Q2, Q3 extra. Q1, Q2, Q3. Now you need to add here Q1, Q2, Q3. And here also what is extra? 25 percentile, 50 percentile, and 75 percentile. Same exactly like that. Now DF, these are DF answer. Okay, do it ma. Add extra 3, extra 3, extra 3. I is everything, numerical columns. Not only prevailing wage, Arun. I have the numerical columns, all the columns. Here. Acha, thank you. Got it. Hi. Thanks, Arun. Hi. Here, hi. Arun ice creams. Which ice cream is very good? Huh? Which ice cream? Amul. Full ice. Yeah. We are the fan of full ice. Full ice fan. Arun ice creams. With my name in my childhood, there is some packets are there. Omkar some packets. No. Some packets. Suguna Chicken Centers. Very good, very good. See, now you are able to create a method by your own. This will boost your confidence, ma. You can able to do something. Whenever the any Python code, any data set is coming, you can able to create some insights from that. You can get some confidence, but means you are not relying only the methods. You can rely on your skills. Now let's do some analysis. What is the 25 percentile value? What is the 25 percentile value, ma? Saurav, tell me what is the 25 percentile value? 34015. What is the meaning of this? What is the very bad ringtone? What is the meaning of that? Tell me what is the meaning of this? If you not tell, I will kill you now. What is the meaning of this? What is this percentile meaning? Print outside, not here. Not tell me. Tell me what is the meaning of this? 25 percentile value is? That I know. That it is visible here. What is the meaning of that? How can you explain to your manager? Tell me. Srikanth is trying to say something. Say Srikanth. Correct. That English le చెప్పు. Tell me, ma. 25%. Everyone saying 25%, but after that, I'm not. It is not audible to me. 25% of people. After that, what is that? Srishti is saying correct. Srishti is saying correct. 25% of observations from the total data have a value below 34015. That's the meaning of percentile, right? Yes or no? So this is the meaning. 25% of observations from the total data having below 34015. Now tell me 25% of data means how much? Total how many observations? Total number of observations. Total observations are how many? Count, right? That you already counted. Correct. 25480. 25480. Yes. Now 25% of 25480, how much? 25% of 25480 means how much? 25 into 25480 divided by 100. 25 into 25, 625. Approximately 630 or 640 will come. 6370. Yes, that only I said, no? 6370. So 6370 observations are less than a value 34015. That means 6370 people, okay, people have salary, wages less than 34,000 rupees. Can I claim that? 6370 people have wages less than 34,000 rupees. That is the meaning of that. Correct? Yes, Arun. Shall we calculate that now? We'll verify that. Now take the Visa DF square bracket prevailing wage. These are enter all the observations. Now less than 34015. Now if you calculate a true, how many truths now? 6370 truths should come. How many truths will come? 63. Don't talk ma. Listen carefully. Hello. Oh. 6370 people will have truths. How many truths should come? That is the meaning. How many truths here? That is equal to 6370. If that is correct, then that is a 25% value. Now calculate it. How can you get the length of this? VSAR, first get the data frame. VSAR DF. Now length. Down lo untadi. Wow. 6370. It's valid, right? That is. See, this is the analysis. Whatever we learn in the statistics theory, that we are doing using the Python. Do it, note down this. Now we will check the empirical rule now. We'll check the empirical rule fatafat like this. No one will teach this all these things, right? They will complete it in ED in 2 days. So if I will not go too fast, it will take 15 days. And you know how to do this, right? Less than getting the data. I don't want to take EDA for 15 days. I want to teach everything that whatever he covered in theoretically. Note down this. I will go slowly only. We'll take one more extra month. Okay. Extra month chalega. You are enjoying the class. One thing I understood, I'm not getting bored for you. Okay. You are enjoying the class and you are learning the work, right? Great. But enjoyment is more, workless is less, that you should balance. Slowly we increase like this. Less enjoyment, more work. Don't run the cells, you will get error. Okay, comment it. Don't run this. Now everyone should do empirical rule analysis now. Done? So you are writing the write-up also or what? अरे वो write up मिलेगा ना Google Classroom में. Write the code no. Why you require write-ups? That is anyhow in your mind. And it's there in the Google Classroom. Why you are wasting time to write all this story? Tell me what is empirical rule? 3 sigma. Next. What is the empirical rule? Uh, 68, 95, 99. Where will the 68? 1 sigma to minus 1 sigma to 1 sigma. Okay. What is it? Now put side heading empirical rule. Empirical rule. Empirical rule. Empirical rule. Now go to diagram. I will show you how to get the diagram. Okay. Just check the empirical rule in the Google. Just check the empirical rule in the Google. Sorry. Go to images. Take any one. anything. Suppose take this. Everyone following with me online? Go to images, right click it, select one image. I'm selecting this. Right click it. Right click it. Right click it. Done. Inspect. Go to inspect. Go to inspect. Go to inspect. When you go to inspect, you will get some image SRC, image source. Check the image source. Check the image source. Check the image source. Again right click. On the image source, again right click. Again I'm explaining ma. Look at the board. Go to empirical rule and go to the images and confirm one image. Right click it. You'll get inspect. Go to image SRC. Image source. Again right click. Edit as HTML. Now famous 3 words. What are the 3 words? Control A, Control C, Control V. Now Control A karo. Control C karo. Okay. Now come here. Control V karo. One more extra thing. Escape. M karo. Shift enter karo. Okay. Again. Again. Okay. Again. Again I will help you. Don't worry. First select it. Right click it. Say yes. Right click it. Inspect. Say yes. Inspect. Check image SRC. Image SRC. Image source. Yes. Say yes. No. Now again right click. क्या था? Edit as HTML आ रहा है. Third one. Edit as HTML. Click it. Say yes. Now automatically it's selected. Don't move at your cursor. Cursor should be there only. Now Control A. Control. Next. 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 That's it. Okay. Simple. Okay, ma. Okay, ma. First, select an image. Right click. Right click. Select. Inspect. Click on inspect. Right side you will see the right side you will see image SRC, image source, image SRC. Right click on image SRC and select edit as HTML. That is actually HTML pages now. Then don't move your cursor. Don't move your cursor. Your cursor. Just Control A. Control A means select all. Control C. Then Control V. Then Escape M. Then Shift Enter. That's all. Images will come. Images will come. Okay. Control A, Control C, Control V. Both were very, very famous words. Now empirical rules are mu minus 1 into sigma. Sigma to mu plus 1 into sigma. How much percent of data will cover? 68% of data. Similarly, we write other two also. Mu minus 2 sigma plus 2 sigma. How much that is? 95. Mu minus 3 to 3. How much total data will occupy? 99.7. When it follows a normal distribution. When data follows a normal distribution. When data follows a normal distribution. We will do this and we'll close the session today, okay? So first calculate mu minus 1 sigma. Okay? You know already mean value, you already know standard deviation value, correct? Wage mean you already know. Wage mean, that's the mean value. Wage standard deviation also you already know. We are calculating about wages. Wage standard deviation. Correct, guys? Now first take 6 values. First value, second value, third value, fourth value, fifth value, sixth value. How can you calculate? Wage mean minus 1 into wage standard deviation is the first value, correct? That only what? Mean minus 1 sigma. Mean minus 1 sigma. This is, you can say that val minus 1. Val minus 1. Similarly, do all 4, all 6. It is a plus. Plus. So right here, plus. Minus 2. Give here minus 2. Plus 2. Plus 2. Do it, do it. Don't look at the board. This is very easy. Minus 3 and 3. Plus 3 and plus 3. All 6 values will come. Print of val minus 1, val plus 1, val minus 2, val plus 2, val minus 3, minus 3 not written there, minus 3, comma val plus 3. These are all the values. Want to do, you can do round off, ma? You can do round off. Mean minus 1 into sigma. What happened? 1 sigma is 1 into sigma, no? किधर है bracket? Bottommost. Multiplication first आ गया. Mean minus 1 into sigma plus mean plus 1 into sigma. This 2 will cover 68% of data, right? This will cover 68% data. And this will cover 95. This is the analysis, ma. This will no one will cover. You can check any YouTube, you can check anywhere. Okay. I can challenge this. 99.7. This is only in our interest. We need to learn whatever we learn theoretically, that we need to implement with practically. Always remember that. Then only you can learn in both ways. You never forget. You never forget that is. 68, 95, 99.7. If you want to round off it, you know round off it, right? You know, right? Round off, don't confuse with brackets, ma. Round off, comma, 2. Round off with 2. Round off with 2 decimals. Round off with F1 क्या हो रहा है F1? Round off. Don't talk, don't talk. This class is for only for discussions. Round off. What is the meaning of this? There are 68% of data are there between val minus 1 to val plus 1. That is the meaning, right? What is the meaning of that? 68% of 68% of, don't talk ma, I already told you. 68, if you want to talk, you can go outside and talk. I don't mind. 68% of observations have values between 2163 to 127, first two values, correct? Between these two. Between these two. That is the meaning. That is the meaning. Yes or no? Similarly, 95. If it is correct, then only it follows normal distribution. Otherwise, it not follows a normal distribution. Simple. Correct. If pakka this number will come, then it is a normal distribution. Otherwise, it is not a normal distribution. That we are checking. With these two values. Now these two values. Yeah. Now you see, first is 21,000 is there, next minus 31 is there, next minus 83 is there. Slowly it is widening the range, right? It is 1.2 lakh is there. Now after that 1.8 lakh is there, next 2.3 lakh is there. Slowly it is widening. Slowly it is widening that. Now we'll check that if it is valid or not. Now check it, write the condition 1. What is the condition 1? Visa data set, square bracket, prevailing wage, greater than this value, right? Greater than which value? Val minus 1. That's the condition 1. What is the condition 2? Visa DF less than. Visa DF between these two values you said, right? That means this is the condition plus 1. Now whichever satisfies these two conditions, that means those are values greater than val minus 1, those are values less than val plus 1, that is should be 68% of data, correct? Now these are the first condition, these are the second condition. So condition 1 and condition 2, those observations are satisfying these conditions, and that many, how many should be there? 68% should be there. How many should be there? 68%. Now if you count the true, 68% of 25480 divided by 100. 17,000 observations should come. How many should come? This condition. Do it. Visa DF square bracket length of approximately 17,171 आ गया. Now if you want to get the percentage of data, length of BSRTF 67% is there approximately. We are expecting 68, but how much percentage is there? 67. And this you need to check for other two also. Check it quickly. 70 to 73 line, you need to check for other two also. How much percentage is coming? Tell me. The second one is how much is coming? 95 is coming. 96% is coming. Okay, very good. Which bitwise? Double and. What is the bitwise means? The 0, 0, 1, 1 again, that is. It is working here. It will not work, no? It is satisfying the condition. Intersection. Intersection means always and operator, not bitwise operator. It should satisfy two conditions, na? Sorrow. Intersection you need to get. Whenever intersection means what? And only. If you want union means or. That is. You put and like this. That is a bitwise operator. A? Where is A is there? If you want at and like this. The truth value of series is ambiguous. It is and or. One is coming how much? 67%. Second one is coming how much? 90. Val minus 2 2 plus 2 96.4. Third one is coming how much? Venki, how much it's coming? 98. We are expecting 68, 95, 99.7. It is coming how much? 67, 67, 96, 98. Now what is your thought? It is a normal distribution or not? Normal distribution or not? It's look like normal distribution, but some deviations I am seeing. Almost look like normal distribution. Not exactly, but almost look like normal distribution. And that we will see tomorrow, the distributions, plotting. Now this is the way you need to analyze the data. I hope everyone is getting some idea, right? How to analyze? Whatever we are learning, that we are doing using Python. Don't share these books to outside world, okay? Don't share these books to. You will not get this. You can go and search in YouTube. Okay, in EDA. Check, you type EDA in YouTube. You listen to our session, they will not teach this. You can check anywhere. This will be get you only in the classroom only. So that's why this kind of analysis you need to learn. Now you can say easily. Now if it differently coming by using say that, of course, by seeing the plotting also you can say that. But tomorrow your manager will ask very detailed of values, means you need to do this only, right? How many observations are falling? 17,000 observations. Here, how many observations are falling? That everything that is. This is very, very important session, today's session. You can apply the data that describe also. Okay, to get this, all these things. Why we are doing this? For not time pass. Okay, we are not doing this for time pass, ma. EDA is the different ideas will be there. You need to do different types of analysis. Data will be not always the same for everyone, every company. Maybe unstructured data will be there, structured data will be there, ambiguous data will be there. You need to know the skills, how to deal with the data, the ideas, the Python developer skills you need to learn. So that's why I will teach like this. Otherwise, I can teach this data that describe, and half an hour session is I can save, no? That is. So understand the amount of that knowledge you are getting. That's why explore like this only. Practice it. Without practice, don't come. That is only my suggestion. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Because it is not normal distribution, I think, Utkarsh. Not exact normal distribution. Everyone is not 100% perfect, no? Same like the data also will never be 100% normal distributed.